Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Builderall account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Builderall paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Builderall subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Builderall dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Builderall account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your Builderall paid subscription, here on the top right, you're going to click on your profile name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on this blue button, manage your account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click on invoices. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the plan or paid subscription for Builderall right here. And off to the right, you're going to see this little downward arrow. Click on there. All right, once you click there, it's going to open up, and you want to look for this red cancel button right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this pop-up asking if you want to talk to, but if you're sure you want to go ahead and cancel your Builderall paid subscription, click right here. No thanks, continue with cancellation. All right, next they're going to give you an option to go ahead and pause your account or maybe choose a different, maybe cheaper plan. But if not, go ahead and click right here, cancel anyway. Right here, they're going to ask you a few questions on why you want to cancel. Go ahead and fill that out and then click here on cancel confirmation. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Builderall account. So there you have it, guys. If you are wondering how to cancel your Builderall paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.